Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And today what I want to do is give you a little glimpse and quick insight to what we do in the members section when it comes to the swing charts or the options section. You know, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at the swing charts, but we have different memberships available. If you're just getting started into trading, you want to learn a little bit more about the charts, definitely check it out. Now you can go ahead and see those memberships by going to our website at tradersfly.com. So you can go ahead and go there. And by the way, while you're there, feel free to check out the freebies section or the getting started page if you're brand new to trading or investing. The freebies section has some great things to download and some free videos, cheat sheets, and all that kind of stuff. If you're looking into a membership, go to our members section here. The membership, it's going to forward you to our members website. And here we have a couple of different choices for either an options, ideas, and strategies if you're a little more advanced. If you're doing swing charts and swing trading, which is what we're going to cover right here, you can go ahead and check out the video swing charts or the technical analysis picture charts, which are very similar to the swing chart videos that we do on the recaps. Now, if you want to get started, go there and it'll give you some insight on exactly what it's all about, and you can watch the overview video. Now that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Is we're going to give you an overview of the swing charts, and keep in mind this is just a quick glimpse and a quick clip of what's in the members section. With the members you get the full video, but right now I just want to share with you a little freebie, a little clip, so that way you get a little taste of what happens. And I would love to see you in the members zone as well. Let's check this out as far as the futures go. Right now, market looks like it's going to be up about 12.75 tomorrow. In my case, that's looking at things flat. If we look at the European market, you're looking at, here, Japan and Hong Kong, they were up about 1.42, 1.95%. So that's quite a bit. So they're moving, but they were a little bit behind compared to us. What I want to emphasize before we even keep going in this video is that we are stretched in the short term. Think about it. A lot of people have lost their jobs, but the market is moving on euphoria in hopes of, hey, things are opening up. Hey, the earnings may not be as bad. So they're looking at those kinds of things, but eventually that will catch up. So as we look at what's going on here and we just check out SPX, you can see we continue now just looking at this sheer line right here at the 2900. We're trying to move higher. And you look at this past movement, 3400 or so at those highs. We continue to ramp up higher, even though they're talking about that this could be a very significant, not just a recession, but a depression here coming up. So we will see, time will tell. So the market is still moving on hope for the time being, because if you look at the movement after this large sell-off, we are about half, if not more than half, back to that same range of where we were, right? So that's quite a significant move. The big issue here is you got to watch the volume. So as you look at the volume, our up volume is quite of a concern for me. So look at the selling pressure that we've had right there, and look at as we continue to move higher, the volume is weak. So it just goes to tell you we're moving higher, but it's on thin volume, and that's a bit of a concern. All right, so I'll share with you some stocks. Some are actually moving quite well in retrospect, just due to earnings that we've had, but keep this bigger picture in mind as we go through these things. Okay, let's go ahead and check out another one here, Twilio. Okay, Twilio right here. So you can take a look. This one here and here. So it's really moving fairly well. A lot of good bullish volume. This one, started pulling back. I'll just talk about it right here for quite a while. And then we had some sideways digestion. It started to get back. Here was kind of a breaking out next level. And here again, breaking out. And again, this is really just that single movement, but you've had resistance here. So it really skyrocketed. Again, I would say the move is too far too fast, so take some profits. I would not chase this stock at this level. But you can see like stocks like this tend to do well, even in this kind of environment. But I wouldn't chase these kinds of things because you're from 110 to 170. These are fast moves, and this stock's been moving up very quickly for a while. So be a little more neutral and cautious about these things, that they might just be running up a little bit too far too fast. Now, normally this kind of bar is a nice bar to see. Nice to see big, healthy bars. This is the key for the gas pedal being put down, to the metal. So it's kind of like it's called wide price spread. So that shows you, hey, energy. Of course, this is partly earnings, I believe. A movement, gap up, and that kind of thing, because this is a weekly chart. But nevertheless, that's a fast move, so be cautious. So this one, MRNA, I want you to see the pattern here and what's happening. It's moving very well. So we have the kind of this triangle pattern, then we have another kind of flag pattern. So here you got flag pattern. This was your resistance. Here's your resistance on this one. Here's kind of your support. This is your support over here. What I like about this is you've got continuous bullish volume that continues to fuel the stock. That's a healthy thing. And typically after a flag, this is a continuation pattern. So that's usually good. So that means the distance here should be the distance there. And that's usually good, right? So this is a continuation pattern. There we go. So anyways, this price move looks good for higher prices here as well. It's nice wide price spread, so should continue to fuel that higher. And yeah, I would say bullish on this stock as long as you can continue to hold above those price levels and it stays stable. Just be careful that these things don't move too far too fast, as we talked about initially at the beginning of the video. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.